Okay, this is Miku and Romano reaction to Nyan cat. Are you ready?
Whatever.
It's a Pop-Tart cat!
What is that?
There's a rainbow coming out of its butt.
Grace, what did you do? Please don't answer this.
I'm sorry.
I'm glad my patella's not there. Which tomato
It's
would you need?
adorable!
No, it's not!
Oh, look at it!
1 minute, stop! Grace, you're a sick kitty. I can't call you a pup. I can't call you a sick pup because
Actually, technically, it's not from Greece, it's from Japan. Because Nyan means meow in Japanese. This video is awesome!
it's a little tricky. What is that?
A Pop-Tart cat with rainbow coming out of its butt. So, what did you think?
Can I stab it?
No, that's my computer.
Oh, can I at least get England in here and make it alive so I can at least eat it? I'm getting hungry. No, I'm not gonna eat an American treat. Blech. I'll eat tomato Pop-Tarts maybe.
That sounds disgusting.
Actually not.
I think this video was very awesome. I think it was adorable and oh, it's so cute.
I didn't
I
think
just
it
hit
was.
you with my hair. I'm sorry.
You didn't whack my girl.
Okay. Well, we don't know what video we're gonna make next, but the next one probably be awesome as well.
But it doesn't involve cats.